Are struggling with chunk of data into your Jira Data Center, or it's very difficult for you to manage the duplicates files, or maybe the size of contents regularly updated on Jira Data Center versions. To avoid this, I came up with the solutions how we can deal with this type of situations, like when we have this type of attachments, how we can avoid updating or adding duplicate contents, or maybe exceeding size of the file, or maybe different formats of the file will help you how we can manage within Jira Data Center. So if you want to learn from scratch, please follow our channel and this video till end. And if you think so this will be useful and I'm trying to solve your pain points, then probably hit thumbs up. Now to resolve this, here we will use one add-on. This add-on to be added from manage apps. Once we'll navigate it to the manage apps, it will ask you to enter your administrator password. Without admin password, you won't be able to install this. So just enter your right credentials. Otherwise, won't allow you to get inside it. Now, from the manage apps, you will navigate it to some sections probably I've already installed, that's why it will show. But if you don't have this add-on available, then probably you have to install it from scratch. So I'll show you here. Just type attachment checker for Jira and hit enter. You'll have this options available here. Simply you have to navigate it to the sections. Let me show you how we can do it. Once you will click on this and see on the manage app sections, probably this will navigate it to the manage apps because I've already installed. If you have not installed, just click on try, and once we'll click on try, it will start downloading for you inside data center versions. And once the download will be completed, it will ask you to enter the license key. This license key you will get it from the try on page. Once you'll click on try on page, that will navigate it to the cloud instance, and from there you have to generate the license key for the trial version as well. Once the license key will be generated, enter the license key here and then navigate it to the configure page. From the configurations page, you can set it up which all documents or attachments you will bar it, or which all documents you don't want to include it within your issue types. So we'll see one by one here. Again, you have any comments, add inside the comment sections. And if you want to create this type of similar video, reach out to us. We'll help you to draft this type of video in future. Now, file type blocking. Which file types will allow it here? Simply click on edit settings, and here in the allow list, it means we'll allow this file. If you want to deny everything, just keep deny list. And as of now, I'm just allowing JPG file. And here we can add exceptions. If you want to add exceptions, we can add docs, XLS files, any of the documentation. And whenever this criteria is not met, then this error message will be triggered. Click on save. As of now, file size. So editing the file size, let's say I want to just allow the file size not more than 230 KB. So probably I will add here, enable it, and whenever the file size is exceeding, the total attachment size exceeding, this error message will be triggered. And here, if the file size is exceeding the maximum size limit, we'll see this error message. Click on save. Count limit, if you want to add the count limit, not more than 2 attachments will be allowed in each of the sections. So probably we can have here, and if the count is exceeded, we'll again get same type of error message. It means this error message. Duplicate blocking, if you want to disallow, or maybe you want to block the duplicates copy, this will automatically delete it, duplicates copy and comments as well. If you want to enable disable duplicate comments, that is also possible. Here, whenever the duplicates file will be attached multiple times, then probably this error messages will be triggered. Virus scan is also available, where it will do the virus scanning like email, Jira, system admin groups, these all configurations you can set it up. Now, after doing all this, we can also set it up notifications. If you want to add the notifications for these contents, whenever this type of actions will be triggered or action will be done, then we will get the notifications. Attachment download lock, we can also enable it if we want. We can allow to download the attachment logs. Look and feel is also possible to customize it. After doing all this customization settings, we will navigate it to our projects, and within that project, we'll see how this looks or how this will bar our things. Now, when I will create an issue, let me create it. This is for demo, and here we have attachments. Click on create, navigate it to the issue type, and here let's test all the criteria which we have set it up. For testing this, let me upload this. Now you can see successfully this is uploaded, and you have this file size is 223 KB. If I want to upload greater size file or bigger size file, you can see I got total attachment side of the issue has been exceeded the limit. Now, if we want to check this, then probably we will navigate it to the settings or file. I can see the file size is more than 400 KB. That's why we are getting those error because of the attachment checkoff. Now, next item, let's say I want to upload this PDF file. Again, this will not allow because we have enabled just for JPG file. That's why it's allowing. You can see here, please get your Jira admin to update the attachment checker configurations because this is not allowed file limit. Next conditions will verify if we want to upload the same file again, the file name again, then probably we'll get again. There is another file with the same name. It means we are checking duplicates condition. Let me change the name of the file and upload it with it. Now we have the file name with the copy. So here we'll try to upload the copy file, this one, and let's see. Now for the complete issues, we have added 230 KB. That's why it will not allow. And if it will increase, then probably that file will accept it. So this is how we can manage our complete data center, Jira Data Center versions for allowing or enabling and disabling the file which does not need it for of any of our issue types. So that's all about this video. If you have any other thought process, or maybe if you have any suggestions which you want to be covered in further part of video, please let me know. And for most important part, this add-on will be created by Akeles Consultancy, which is having many add-ons on the marketplace of Jira, where you can see all this add-on is listed here. And if you have any queries, comments, suggestions, please reach out to them and probably they will be able to help you out. If you have any suggestions, that also you can add in the comment sections. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.